Welcome to Assignment Point BD, your trusted partner in academic and business writing for more than 12 years. From undergraduate essays to postgraduate research, from professional case studies to business reports, we are here to make your journey easier, smoother, and more successful. Our team of expert writers has proudly served students from leading universities, delivering hundreds of high-quality projects that meet global academic standards. Every work we provide is Turnitin checked, plagiarism-free, and tailored to your exact requirements. Whether you need assignments, theses, dissertations, or research support, we ensure on-time delivery, confidentiality, and unlimited revisions until you are completely satisfied. At Assignment Point BD, we also support professionals and international students with SOPs, LORs, and CVs, scholarship and visa documents, business and corporate writing solutions. We know your success depends on accuracy, quality, and trust. That's why our motto is simple, where quality meets commitment. Now it's your turn to take the next step. Partner with Assignment Point BD and experience reliable, affordable, and world-class writing services designed to help you achieve your dreams. Contact us today on WhatsApp +880-1645-600342 or email us at assignmentpointbd@gmail.com. Assignment Point BD, your partner in academic success. Work sample video disclaimer. This sample paper has been prepared by Assignment Point BD, shared here strictly for illustration purposes only with the kind commission of our respected client. Important notice, this work represents an academic submission and will show 100% plagiarism if checked through Turnitin or other software. It must not be directly copied or submitted. We encourage you to use this sample responsibly as a reference for structure, formatting, and style. Assignment Point BD upholds the highest standards of confidentiality, originality, and ethical academic support.